Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing well. Yesterday we have completed question number A of exercise 9. I hope you all have done all the parts, part number 1 to 8 on your neat notebooks. Now moving towards part B, in which we have Khan distributed 80 candies and 72 chocolates to the children in his class. Find the highest number of children in the class if the children are supposed to receive an equal number of sweets. Find the highest number says that we have to find HCF of the given numbers. The numbers are given as 80 and 72. You have to find HCF by the previous method of 80 and 72. Let's have a look. Students, by finding prime factors of 80, we got 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16 and 80. However, from where we got 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16 and 80? As we know that 80 is divisible by 1, 80 is also divisible by 2, 80 is also divisible by 4. You have to check the divisibility of the given number up to all the numbers. Understand? Now moving towards 72, you have to check the divisibility of 72 starting from 1. 72, 1 is 72, 2, 36 or 72, 3, 24 is 72. Understand? You have to move on like this. Now, but the things comes that you have to find the common factors of the given numbers. Common factors mean we have 1 in common, 2 in common, 4 in common, 8 in common. So, you took out all the common factors. What are the highest factor then? The highest common factor is 8. So, the HCF of 80 and 72 will be 8. Moving towards part C, we have grandma needs to sew a shirt for her granddaughter. She has 2 pieces of cloths. One is 63 meters and the other is 45 meters. What is the longest equal length that she can cut from both pieces to be able to stitch the shirt? How you have to find out the longest length means you have to find out the HCF of the given number 63 and 45. Let's have a look. In the same method we followed here, we find out the prime factors of 63 and then find the prime factors of 45. Then what is the common factor? Common factors are 1, 3 and 9. Understand? So what would be the highest factor then? The highest number from the common factor is 9. So HCF will be 9. Now moving towards part D. We have Ali has 36 oranges and Haris has 44 grapes. They have to divide these fruits equally into 2 trays. Find the largest number of fruits in each tray. Largest number means you have to find HCF here, and we have 36 and 44. Now find out prime factors of 36 and prime factors of 44. We got 1, 2 and 4 as common factors and the highest factor will be 4. Moving towards part E, we have 2 wires with length 448 cm and 616 cm are to be cut into pieces of same length. Find the greatest possible length of the pieces. Greatest possible length means you have to find HCF again. We have 448 and 616. Find out prime factors of 448 and 616. We have certain factors. By finding common factors, we got 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14 and 56. So what is the highest factor here? 56. So 56 is the highest common factor of 448 and 616. In part F, we are given with find the highest common factor of the number 30, 25 and 45. You have to just find out prime factors of 30, 25 and then 45. Find out common factors and then find out the highest common factor. Let's have a look. Prime factors of 30 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30, 25 and 45. So what is the common factor in all these? We have 1, 3 in just 30 and 45. So 3 cannot be considered as common factor. And then 5 in 30, 5 in 25 and 5 in 45. So 1 and 5 are the common factors, but the highest common factor will be 5 because 5 is greater than 1. Understand? You have to complete exercise 9 from part B to F on your NEET notebooks and do practice these questions also. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.